cute, so I'm just gonna go with the cutest. I'm excited to. Hi everyone, so welcome back to the vlog. So for today I'm gonna start vlogging on a Friday. This is probably gonna be like a few days in my life or something like that, but as you can tell, I'm wearing this blue dress. Me and Hershey actually planned a little picnic day, so we're going to be doing that very soon. She's on her way. I actually made us some fried rice to eat, and then she's bringing like the drinks and stuff like that. This is the only summer dress I own, so even though I've already taken photos with it and everything, here we are with it again. But yeah, I'm wearing this dress and then also my black heels that I showed you guys in the last vlog. But yeah, that's pretty much the update for now, and I'll update you guys once we probably get to the park and everything. We are, Hershey brought lots of goods. Oh, she was way more prepared than I am. We're walking, we're in the middle of like green. We're walking to find a spot where we can put our stuff down. Hershey's popping with champagne. It's not champagne, but you know.
Yeah, she kind of bubbly right
She's
now.
bubbly.
She kind of bubbly. She was like shaking up in my car. And I was like, ooh.
Oh no. She's good, she's good. I brought some fried rice. Hershey brought little bundt cakes for us. And these are the cutest little glasses. So cute. And then some strawberries and some peach pop. And obviously some casino play cards. And that's the setup. We're gonna also take some pictures because, you know, we got it. There's a lake back there. But it's such a beautiful day. But this is our setup. I don't know if I showed it already, but so cute. So cute. We tried, you know, we tried. And then I'll just screenshot it. Hey! Hello, so I'm back. It is much later. I wanted to sit down with you guys. It actually got pretty hot. Like, me and Hershey were in the shade, and then once we got out of the shade, like, we felt the heat. So it's pretty hot right now. So I wanted to sit down with you guys and talk a little bit because this July Public Goods is introducing their Sustainable Swaps Challenge, which is very exciting. So they were kind enough to send me a few things in ways that I can swap for things that I'm currently using at home. So I want to share with you guys the things that I picked out. This is not sponsored. They were just kind enough to gift me this. But I do have a coupon code if you're interested, so I will add it somewhere on the screen and also put it down in the description box. The box is super cute and minimal. Love their packaging. I actually need scissors. Hold on. So the first thing I picked out is actually their little bags. So these are perfect, like they're little produce bags. That's what I meant to say. So this one I'm super excited because usually like there's bags at the grocery store when I go to Trader Joe's especially, and I usually don't use the plastic bags because I feel bad using them and creating that waste. So I usually just like put like lemons in my cart, or I'll put like avocado in my cart. just like that. So this would be super helpful. I'm excited to use these. They're not too big, so they're perfect for like produce and stuff. Another thing that I picked out that I'm really excited about are some compostable waste bags. So both of these, I'm super excited. We use regular bags right now. I'm excited to switch this out and start using these compostable waste bags instead of the regular bags that I usually have. Then I also picked out the shampoo bar. So this is paraben free, vegan friendly, sulfate free, gluten free, natural fragrance, and cruelty free. So amazing. Like, I am so excited to try this. I have never tried a shampoo bar before ever in my life. Okay, so it smells very fresh. I really love the scent. This is like exactly the size of the bar. The last thing that I picked out, I actually picked this out for Caesar. This is the black water bottle. This is in 17 ounces. So I already have my own water bottle, so I told him he can get this one. Oh. So this one is for him, but it looks super nice. I love the softness. Now I kind of wish I picked out like the white one for myself. This is really nice material. Oh my gosh, like it's beautiful. I love it. So it just opens up like that. That's pretty much everything that I picked out. So I will leave the coupon code on the screen or somewhere down there on the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys check it out. There's honestly like so many ways we can help the environment and everything. So I'm super excited to start using all these things. Right now it is Saturday night. I did laundry and I got a lot of stuff done actually. It was a pretty busy Saturday, but right now I'm just trying to relax and not stress. I really want to do my nails. I'm watching Working Moms right now. If you ever watched that show, let me know if you like it or not in the comments. It took me like a little bit to get used to, but I actually am like in season 5 to be honest. So season 5 just came out, so I was like, oh. So I just started watching that. We're making banana bread. I found 3 bananas that are definitely not going to be eaten within the next couple days because we're not going to really be home tomorrow, Sunday. So I thought I would make banana bread today, and I added some chocolate chips on there. So I'll show you guys once that is ready. I wanted to share my shirt because it is the biggest mood right now. Angelica, if you know from Rugrats, I loved that show. I love it. So I just took a shower. I'm gonna do a face mask and we're gonna do a little bit of a self-care. If you want to do it along with me, that'd be amazing, so we can both do some self-care that is much needed. So yeah, I'm gonna first just put on a face mask right now and then I'll be back. I'm going to be using this face mask right here. I've mentioned this in a video before. I also have a coupon code if you guys want to check it out. So I added. This is so helpful. I think I got this one from like TJ Maxx or something. It's super helpful. Sometimes I use a brush, but right now I'm just going to put it on my face like that. And I already washed my face and everything, and well, I don't want to eat the mask. But it's looking all good. My battery is flashing, so we'll see if this lasts. I try to use it like once a week, but obviously some weeks I totally forget. We're gonna leave on the face mask and then I'll come back once it's a little bit more dry and also once I charge my battery, so I'll be right back. Just took off my face mask. Oh, I feel super refreshed, to be honest. This is called Lowly. It looks like this. It is cruelty free and it's really great. I like to put this like mostly at night, not really in the day, but as you can tell, I've used a lot up already. I didn't go out of my way to buy that one actually. It was like in my FatFitFun or something like that, I think. I don't remember, to be honest. But I've had it for a while, so really like it. I feel so relaxed right now. But just gonna do that. Also gonna add some Murad eye cream right here, but I just like to moisturize right after I do a face mask or wash my face, because I just don't like to feel dry. Like sometimes when I feel like my skin is getting like super dry, it just like starts to hurt. Like I don't know if you guys experience that, but it happens to me and I'm not a fan of it. Okay, I'm going to be using this Ella and Mila top coat and also the base coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this by Static Nails. We'll have my code for discount down below and also on the screen, but this is the color Unforgettable. I really wanted to do different colors on my nails, but then, you know, I remembered I'm starting my job on Thursday and I don't really want to go with like different nails, you know what I mean? Because it's in the office and stuff, so I'm just gonna go with one color. The banana bread is done. It is still cooling down, so I think we're gonna take it to Caesar's parents tomorrow. So we're just gonna let it cool and it'll be good for tomorrow. It smells so good in this apartment right now. I put chocolate chips. I'm not sure if I told you guys, so I will link the recipe that I use down in the description box if you do want to use that one. But that's the one that I've been using for a while and I really like it personally. So I finished getting ready for bed. I have completely like taken off my contacts. I can't see. I'm blind. Those fireworks. Like what the heck? I am completely blind. I took off my contacts. I finished my nails. I think they turned pretty. I really love this. It's not even focusing, is it? Wait, hold on. I love this color. I think it's so pretty. I really like it. I'm glad that I went with this pink. I'm not sure if I will vlog anything tomorrow. I will be doing like a week in my life this coming week, so I'll probably start that on Monday. So I don't know if I'll vlog anything tomorrow, but if not, this will be the end of the vlog. So don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll talk to you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.